Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's world. Today is the fourth episode in the space series. Today we are going to discuss about Mercury. So Mercury is the solar system's smallest and the closest planet to the sun. Its orbit around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days. That means it means 1 year on Mercury is 88 or 87 days, and it takes 59 Earth days for one rotation, which means 59 Earth days for one Mercury day. Wow! It is named after the Roman god Mercurius, who is the god of commerce, which commerce means trade if you don't know. It has no natural satellites, which means it has no moons around it like how the Earth has the moon. Its diameter is 4,880 kilometers, which is small compared to a planet. Mercury consists of approximately 70% metallic and 30% silicate material. It has a solid silicate crust, a rocky mantle, and an iron-rich core, which the core is again divided into the outer and inner core. The outer core is liquid, while the inner core is dense, so it is a solid. And also, the Mercury is also made of 4 parts, like the Earth: the crust, mantle, outer core, and the inner core. Yes, it is the second densest planet after the Earth. Its density is 4.42 grams per cubic meter. Centimeter. It is 5.42 if you don't remember. Just right now. Mercury's surface is similar in appearance to that of the moon. It has holes called craters. If you don't know what craters are holes which are made after an asteroid hits something like that. Okay, the surface temperature ranges from 100 Kelvin to 700 Kelvin. That means when it is night, it would be 100 Kelvin, which is very cool, and in the day it would be 700 Kelvin, which is very hot, but less hotter than on Venus. That's a fact. It has a very thin atmosphere, which is made of the exosphere layer. It consists of 42% oxygen, 29% sodium, 22% hydrogen, 6% helium, 0.5% potassium, and the remaining 0.5 is other elements in a very low amount, are known as trace amounts. The size of Mercury is 0.38 of the Earth's size. The mass is 0.055 of the Earth, and the gravity is also the same as the Earth's size, which is 8 times of the Earth's gravity. Parts of the planet Mercury may have been habitable. That means organisms may have existed on this planet like aliens. But I think they will never visit us because it would be hot or cold. The first spacecraft to visit Mercury was NASA's, which is this shirt, Mariner 10. It took a number of images of this planet. And its successor, which is Messenger, is the second NASA mission to Mercury. It achieved 6 things. It made us know Mercury's high density, how dense it is like Earth. Its geological history, that means how its geology changed all in these years. Like the nature of its magnetic field, how its magnetic field is there. The structure of its core, we already learned the core is made of iron. And do you know, the core, because of the core being made of iron, there is the magnetic field around the planet, in every planet. It's like that. Ice at its poles, that means there is ice on the poles. Because of this thing we know. Wow. And very small atmosphere comes from, where the Mercury is small, very small atmosphere comes from compared to Earth. Just it would be very small. It takes a much higher resolution images of Mercury than its predecessor, Mariner 10. That means we can see craters and know how they were formed and see how beautiful they look. And do you know there is another Mercury? Not the Mercury, god of the Roman god. It is the mercury element. It's a metal in liquid form, and you may think, wait, aren't metals in liquid form? I mean solid form only? No, this mercury is always in a liquid form in this temperature, in the room temperature, the average room temperature. So that is for today about mercury. Bye.